A day after 13 people lost their lives in the deadly blast that rocked the national capital, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has vowed that conspirators of the Delhi blast will not be spared, as the probe agencies will get to the bottom of the case and all those involved will be brought to justice. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said this while addressing a program that marked 70th birthday of Bhutan's fourth king in Thimphu today. Meanwhile, the car that exploded near Delhi's Red Fort on Monday evening, killing 13 and injuring 21, has been traced to a Kashmir-based doctor with suspected terror links. Two officers from Delhi Police's special cell said the probe has revealed that Dr. Umar-un-Nabi, a resident of Pulwama, was likely behind the wheel of the ill-fated Hyundai i20 when it exploded. It may be mentioned that the explosion occurred at 6:52 p.m. yesterday inside a Hyundai i20, which was standing at a red light not far from gates 1 and 4 of the Lal Killa metro station on the Violet line. As the blast radius spread, the flames engulfed the other vehicles around it. Witnesses claimed 2-3 people were sitting in the Hyundai i20 at the time. The blast came a day after the Jammu and Kashmir police recovered nearly 350 kg of explosives from 2 residential buildings in Faridabad in Haryana. On the other hand, Union Minister Amit Shah chaired a high-level security review meeting in the wake of the blast today. The meeting was reportedly attended by the Union Home Secretary, Intelligence Bureau Chief, Delhi Police Commissioner and NIA Chief.